On the first day of August 2024, the city of Manila proclaimed Nuestra Señora de la Consolación y Correa as patroness of Intramuros and bestowed on her the title the Queen and Protectress of the distinguished and ever-loyal city. On the 8th day of September 2025, the Archbishop of Manila, Jose Fuerte Cardinal Advincula, affirms the title of Our Lady of Consolation as patroness of Intramuros with all the privileges and honor its title deserves. This decree further establishes that her solemnity shall be celebrated every Nuestra Señora de la Consolación y Correa, patrona de la Orden de San Agustín y patrona de Intramuros. Accompanying the image of Dulce Madre de la Consolación y Correa is ex-chaplain Reverend Father Edwin Harry, OSA, Director of the Archdiocese Shrine of Nuestra Señora de la Consolación y Correa, Honor Guards from the Knights of Columbus, members of the Cofradía de la Nuestra Señora de Consolación, the members of the Intramuros Administration, and devotees of La Consolación. Viva la Virgen! Viva la Virgen!
¡Viva!
Viva la patrona de Intramuros!
¡Viva!
Kami kayo,